Hello everyone. I am Fiza Fatima from MERI Group of Institution and today I am going to discuss about measurement of national income. First, we all need to know about what is national income. National income is the money value of all goods and services produced in a country during a year. It includes income from all the productive sectors. The term money value means the value estimated at the current price of goods and services. The basic concepts of national income are: first, gross domestic product; second, gross national product; third, net national product; fourth, personal income; fifth, disposal income; and last, per capita income. First, we'll discuss about GDP and GNP. GDP, gross domestic product. It is the value of all final goods and services produced by all sectors of the economy by the citizens of foreign sectors within a country. Next, GNP, gross national product. It is the value of all final goods and services produced by all citizens of a country within a country or abroad. Next, net national product. Net national product is the market value of all final goods and services after allowing for depreciation. It is also called national income at market price when charges for depreciation are deducted from the gross national product. The formula for net national product is NNP equal to GNP minus depreciation. Now, what is personal income? Personal income is the total money income received by individuals and households of a country from all possible sources before direct taxes. Next, disposal income. Disposal income means the actual income which can be spent on consumption by individuals and families. The whole of the personal income cannot be spent on consumption because it is the income that acquires before direct taxes have actually been paid. The formula for disposal income is disposal income is equal to personal income minus direct taxes minus miscellaneous expenses. Next, per capita income. The average income of the people of a country in a particular year is called per capita income for that year. For instance, in order to find out the per capita income, the national income of a country is divided by the population of the country in that year. Methods of measurement of national income. There are three methods for measurement of national income. The first one is production method, second is income method, and third is expenditure method. Production method. The sum total of products produced in all sectors is the total output of the nation. The next step is to find out the value of these products in terms of money. The money sent by Indian citizens working abroad is also added to this. Now we get the gross national income, which is GNI is equal to money value of total goods and services plus income from abroad. Income method. Under this method, national income is measured as a flow of factor incomes. There are generally four factors of production, that is labor, capital, land, and entrepreneurship. Labor gets wages and salaries, capital gets interest, land gets rent, and entrepreneurship gets profit as their remuneration. Besides, there are some of self-employed persons who employ their own labor and capital, such as doctors, advocates, cost accountants, etc. Their income is called mixed income. The sum total of these factor incomes is called NTP at factor cost, in which GNI is equal to rent plus wages plus interest plus profit plus income from abroad. Method. Household or consumer expenditure on consumption goods. Firm or producer expenditure of capital goods, also known as gross investment. Government expenditure on goods and services excluding transfer payment. Expenditure on exports and imports, in which GNI is equal to individual expenditure plus government expenditure. Now we'll discuss about the importance of national income. Useful in measuring the standard of living of a nation through estimating per capita income of the nation. Time series comparison, measuring growth of the economy. Comparison between two or more countries can be made. useful in revealing the expenditure pattern of our country, useful in measuring the level of pattern of investment, balance of payments method, national income as an indicator of success or failure of national plan. Thank you.